Look at this view. Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Motorfiles episode 16 and we're dirt vlogging. Here's the battle axes. We got Dirt Bike Larry with us. Nick doesn't have a nickname yet, but he'll earn one today. So we got a T7, Honda's version, the Transalp, and the Paris-Dakar winner Fundura over there. So we're just getting suited up. We're out in North Bend on the North Fork Road. It's gravel. It looks like it's going to be fun. And yeah, stay tuned. We're going to go rip it and grip it. I'll see you on the helmet cam. Alrighty, we made it to our snack break. My feet are soaked. We had a lot of puddles. Let's do a quick bike check. The T7's in its natural element. Doesn't even look dirty. The Paris Dakar winner Funduro's doing good. Definitely dirty. Nothing has broke so far, so I'm feeling good about it. Yeah, but I'm definitely wet. And then the Transalp, she's doing great. So we're just out here taking a quick snack break, and then we're gonna go maybe another 4 or 5 miles up this trail and see where it ends up, and then turn around and maybe chase a different trail on the way back. So having fun. This is a really awesome area, a lot of cool turnoffs and a lot of puddles. I love a good puddle. So gonna have a quick snack, and then we're just gonna hop up and hop back on the bikes and go up that hill and see what happens. So stay tuned. Hopefully we make it back and don't run into any issues, but you can't go wrong with this scenery here. It's absolutely gorgeous. So. Alrighty, my boots are still wet, but we're having fun. We ended up finding this really cool camp spot by the river. So we're just hanging out, having a little snack. The bikes are looking awesome. Yeah, so quick water break. This is definitely the North Fork Road. I believe it's 5700 Forest Service Road is awesome. So bikes are doing great. No one's broken anything yet. And I've got helmet hairs. We're gonna go kind of towards back down the trail, maybe find a little offshoot somewhere, and we'll see where we end up. Cool, man. That sucks. did it. All the bikes made it in one piece. We're airing up to get back on the road. Nobody fell. My boots got really wet. Really wet. Had a couple close ones when we got into the sketchy stuff, but all in all, I will call that a success. So now we're just getting ready to head back. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love you, and I'll see you on the next one.